odottaa. Missä on tää?
Asuntoskeittiö Rongankatu.
Yeah, today it is the 6th of July 2021. It says Rongankatu 2 to Forstekesti. The Forstekesti is here. We got these 4 brothers of the 500s, and that's memorized by Schindler sometime in the late 1990s or early 2000s actually, more than 2002. But originally built in 1963. Wait, how many floors? Let's see. 9 floors, but the base floor is of the 100 per elevator. The serial number is VS342. It's going to be inspected in 2023. There's a fornicator inside. A bit slow actually.
Yeah.
That's why only one ride also. The organization is turning 20 years old in next year, 2022. And the average is turning 60 years old in 2023. Cleaning and press first. And this is in Tampere, Finland.
Es betyder bara gewinnst med det på sådana det skrattas.
Moro.
Moro.